Make a great choice today with the 2019 Tiguan. With Volkswagen Tiguan, it's good to be turbo. Turbo with class, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel independent suspension, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, heated front seats, power windows, compass. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.